Welcome to Skill Realm. So guys, welcome back to Skill Realm. And now today we're back at our coding video. I want to make a platformer game. But although this is going to be part 1, because in this platformer game our player isn't going to be jumping up or down. It's just staying on one lane with obstacles in front of him and a finish line, like a race but with no one racing him. So as you may know, you'll be wondering why isn't the start page here? Well, it's because that once you have installed Construct 2 and you close the app, when you open it again, the start page goes through. But if you really want the start page, you should click this button right here, and the start page is here. But I don't really need it, so I'm going to close it. So now we want to make our layout. That's the place we make the game. So we click File. You may not see what I'm doing because the thing that I'm using to screen record my laptop won't show where I'm showing you. So you click File right here, click the New button. Now then you see a box somewhere Share, and you click New Empty Project. You double click it, I mean, and here we are. Now layout. So now we need to make our window size. We need to make our window size a particular size, because if you don't make it the particular size, something will go wrong with our game. And that something is because of this line. If the line isn't the same size as our layout, it won't show what's outside of the line. So we need to make the line the same size as this place so that we can see everything in our layout. So if we cancel we backspace with, and we type in 1708, and in height we type in 960. Now we're done, so we just enter. Okay, so it's the same size right now. Now it's time to start making our game. So you see something right here which they call layer, which you see something right here that they'll put object, project and layers. So this is how. So we need to go to layers I mean, and add a new layer and another one, and we're going to stay on layer 0. So I double click here, I double click the screen, double click sprite. Now we want to add our background, so I'm going to fill in it as pop blue. I'm going to resize it 1708 960. Okay, I will also need to click apply to all animation, and here we're done with that, and you'll be looking like something like this. So we just need to put the size higher, and here we are. Now at the place you have your layer, at layer 0 you will lock layer 0 like that, and you won't be able to select this blue thing. But if we had put it in a different layer like layer 1 or layer 2, we will still be able to select it. So now we want to add our floor, our ground. So we double click the background sprite, double click sprite, put it right here. I'm going to make this one a bit brown. Hold on. You don't need to. Oh no, I forgot to put it in another layer. So to move it to another layer, we unlock the layer that is locked, and then we right click it, and they'll show this option. So we go to move to layer, and we're going to move it to layer 1. Now to resize it. Block layer 0 back and layer 1. So make this the same size, and here's our ground. Now we need to add our player, so we double click anywhere except for the properties and the layers page, and then we double click sprites, we put it here again. I'm going to make a simple stickman with color blue. Yeah, color blue, that's my favorite color. I will reduce the size to 6. You don't need to add different colors like how I'm doing. You can easily make your own just simply black, or you don't need to make your own as ugly as mine. I'm just going to draw a small face right here, put it back to blue, make his hair blue. You don't need to do exactly what I'm doing. But, and also I want to tell you this isn't my real drawing. I'm just drawing this to show you how a character should look. We don't need to mind about this line because this is just for practice. Then we select fill and fill this place in again. Now we're just going to turn this place back to black and make his legs. And we select fill again and fill it in. Now we're going to make his hand. And here is the blue guy. The blue guy. It's blue. Okay, so here's our blue guy. But you don't have to make one exactly blue like how I did. And here's a character. Oh yeah, I also forgot to teach you something. We need to crop this place in. So we select this thing. We select this and it's cropped it. Now we click this and right click here and guess polygon shape. And put this here, put this here, put this here. Yeah, so like we're done. Now I've done it that. Now we have made a character. Now we need to make the obstacle. So double click it again, sprite, and we go back to this. Now it's gonna be black, and I'm gonna pull it in with purple. happening? I'm making a big mistake here. Why is this happening? I'm just gonna leave it as purple. Oh yeah, and also crop it. And we don't need to do guest polygon shape for just do like that and cancel. So now we right click it, copy, and then paste. Oh, let's just delete layer 2 because you don't really need it. Now we are going to make a finish line. So we use the line, we select the line bar, and put another line there. Okay. And we're going to fill it in with some black, maybe some green. And here's our finish line. We need to copy it through. We go to this place, and then we're done with that. And we need it to make it a little bigger, not too big, not too small, not too slim, and not too fat. So now we're done with that. Now we need to do something to make our character be able to move. So we select our character. You see a bar that say behaviors. We select that. We're gonna add. Got to add platform, bound to layout, scroll to, and this one, and we select a cone sort of thing, and we got to add solid to that, and yeah, solid. Another shadow caster. I'll tell you what shadow caster does. That means if you add the light variable, this thing will be showing the shadow. But also, since we have done it in this one, the original copy is going to copy it into this, because anything we do to this happen to this. The only thing we can change is the size, and this we only need to add solid. Now we need to add something else, so we double click again. Now we are going to use something. We got to use something else. Shadow light, yeah. So we add the shadow light right here. Okay, so wait, I'm coming. Okay, so I'm back. So now we need to add our code, and adding code is really easy in Construct 2. It's just like blocks in Scratch, but it's a little complicated than Scratch. So now we want to add something. Sprite on collision with another object. Sprite again. Sprite done. Okay. Oh, I need to on collision with this, yeah. Sprite 4 done. This destroy, destroy. Now we add another one, sprites and collision with another object. This. So now we're done with this. We are going to leave this place here because we have not added what we do to the code. So we click project in this place right here. You may not be able to see it from where you're watching. And then we right click layout 1, and we right click the layout folder and we click add layout. We select don't add event sheet and we're gonna rename it U1. So and also I forgot to tell you this. To minimize the screen, you use the minus button, and to maximize it, use the plus button. Okay. I want to add something else. We resize it 1708 960. So that's the size. We use this minus sign right here to minus. We use our minus sign to minimize it, plus sign to maximize it, or we use these buttons right here. So now fill it in with purple or any color you want, and I'm going to write U1. And note this isn't my true handwriting. This isn't my true handwriting. I need to print this with purple. Wait, I need to do something. I need to start over again. I made a big mistake. Just need to erase all this. Okay. Just fill this in properly. Make this red. U1. So very cool. Now here's my layout. It looks like this. U1. Now this is on layer 0, so we just lock it in. So now we go back to event sheet 1, add action. I'm gonna say system, go to next layout, done, and here we go. So to see what we have done, we click run layout. and I just need to wait for it to work. It's still going to load. It's still going to load. Okay, so here it is. This is how it will be looking. Aha, this is the type of error I wanted to show you guys. So if you have this type of error, the easy thing to do is that delete JavaScript and then reinstall JavaScript, and that will work. So I don't want to delete and reinstall JavaScript in this video again because it will take some time and this video will take a lot of the time. So in this video we aren't going to do anything, but in the past two I promise it will work. So here we are, can do that. So we're done. So thank you for watching Skill, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. And also share with your friends.